Hello and welcome to my craft room. This is Angie with thecountrychiccottage.net and we're here today with another great craft video. So let's get started making our project for today. To make the DIY photo gifts, you'll need some Mod Podge, some jewelry pliers, some plastic blanks to make your jewelry itself. You'll also need to print your pictures. So I used my HP Sprocket to print mine so they would be self-adhesive. You could also just print them on regular photo paper and use the Mod Podge to adhere them to the plastic. And then you will also need a marker. So once you print your photo, you'll want to use your clear blank and draw around it with a marker to give you a cut line. And then you'll just need regular scissors to cut around that photo. Just cut it on the inside of your cut line to the size and shape of your plastic blank. Now I found this collection of plastic blanks online, and I'll try to find those and leave a link for that in the description below, as well as the other supplies that I used. I'm going to make a keychain as well as a necklace in this video, but you could use the same steps to make just about any custom photo gift that you would like. So like I said, that these Sprocket photos are actually self-adhesive, so if you have those, just peel and stick. If you don't, use a little Mod Podge and adhere the photo itself to your blank. And then for longevity, we'll want to add a coat or even two of Mod Podge over the top of this. So I'm going to add one coat, allow it to dry completely, and add a second or even a third coat if I like. Just make sure that your coats are nice and even and that you allow those to dry completely. And just make sure you go all the way to the edges on all sides to seal those edges up really well on your photo gifts. And I'm going to repeat these same steps for a circular piece that I'm going to use for the necklace. So I'm going to use the rectangle for the keychain and the circle for the necklace. But you can definitely pick and choose what size and shape of blanks that you want to use for this project. You can also choose to use an outdoor Mod Podge for a little more durability. And then you just need to, after your pieces have dried, you just need to assemble them. So for the keychain, I just added it to a hook and then to the keychain ring itself. And then for the necklace, I just added some jump rings to the piece and added that to a necklace. You can add this to this type of necklace or a chain, either one. So there's how to make a couple of DIY photo gifts that Mom will love this Mother's Day, all in a couple of minutes with Mod Podge and a few other supplies. So be sure to check the comments for the links to the supplies I used. So I hope you enjoyed that, and I hope you will make the project that you saw today. If you loved this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. You'll also want to head over to our YouTube channel, as we have tons of creative videos that you might love using a Cricut machine and other crafty videos as well. You'll want to subscribe while you're there so you don't miss any of our new videos. You can also ask any questions that you have about anything we've covered today in the comment section below, and we will get to those as soon as we can because we love comments. Thank y'all so much for joining me today, and I'll see you next week. Bye-bye.